Hello everyone, Wanda here. So we're happy to say the Acrylic Fluid Shots Ultra Matte Collection are finally here. And I was playing around with them today, so I thought I'd hit record and show you guys what we came up with. This is actually my art idea. It was found on Pinterest. It's, abstract doodle art. So you'll see a little bit later some pretty fun doodles come to life. But these colors are really beautiful. They're ultra matte, so they dry really velvety smooth. They play nice together. They are concentrated little um, bottles of magic. I think so, anyways. Katie and I have worked on these for a good long while. This has been in the works for over a year. So finally getting to bring it to you live is, pretty exciting. This is not live, but they're live and available in the shop now. This is Sunday, the day before the eclipse, so I feel like it's kind of a special set. We should have named it like the eclipsing mats or something. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, Katie and I have been under the weather for a couple of weeks, so I'm still a little raspy. That's why I'm doing this voiceover, because I lost my voice doing the original video. So we are working it out, working it out. So everything goes through an ugly stage, obviously. The paint is awesome. The artist, was struggle here, but the outcome is just amazing. So you have to trust the process, work through it when you're working, doing these backgrounds that are super vivid and lots of colors. And if you're like me, you get excited and ahead of yourself, and sometimes you marry a color that doesn't want to be married to its neighbor. So you get brown. So there's a few little brown edges, but that's okay because I like it. It turned out beautiful. So here we are. This is Posca Black 1MR, and I am just going to doodle up some things that I see in the inspiration um, picture that I'm looking. There it is. I was like, where's it at? I'm really terrible at this voiceover thing, so thank you for being patient with me. So yeah, we're just gonna do some doodles, some dots and dashes and flowers. There's some butterflies and stars and dangles. So much stuff. So I hope everybody had a wonderful week this week, and that you're all ready for the eclipse, and that everybody has bought their special eyewear, so nobody gets any eye damage. That would make me really sad. So then you couldn't see your beautiful artwork. So be prepared with your glasses and make sure to put them on before you look at it. That's the mom in me. I have to say that. Okay, so we're moving right along here. That is a flower that you can't hardly see yet. I do get out the white pen in a bit and add some details so you can see these little bits come to life. So Monday night, I'll be doing a little live also. It's going to be a short one. I don't even know exactly what I have planned yet, but I'll be using, of course, the new acrylic fluid shots as well, with liquid gels and shimmer shots and glitter whips, of course. We got to have the bling bling. These are available in my shop, my Etsy shop, at the Foiling Rock Lady on Etsy, and these have their own little category. So when you go to my store, hit that scroll down menu and look for acrylic fluid shots. There's 14 different colors, and you can buy them singly, so you don't have to buy them in a set. We decided to break these up for you guys so that it wasn't so expensive. If you didn't want to go all in, you can buy a few at a time or all of them. Depends on, what you think. And I can't wait for feedback. I hope you guys love them as much as I do. So let's talk about it. The rich red is vibrant red, and it's kind of interesting. It's, I would say, a cool red, but it also has some warm undertones, so you could take it either direction. You could marry it with, some oranges and yellows or some blues and purples. I think it turned out really nice. We have the orange color, which is a traditional orange. Let's see, the deep yellow. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. Katie said it reminds her of sunflowers. Then we have bright yellow, which is like a daffodil yellow. Sap green. Oh my goodness, I think that was the hardest one to do for me. Katie made some colors and I made some colors. So when I was working on sap green, took a minute to get there. But it's a gorgeous, gorgeous green. And then we have teal. Oh, it's so beautiful. And it's kind of opaque. So, like on the first go, it has a creamy undertone to it. So, it has a little titanium in it, which makes it really cool. Then there's blue. And this blue is like, oh gosh, what did we decide this blue was like? It has some like lavender undertones, but yet still some cerulean pull to it. The purple is just magic. I'll leave that like that. It's magic. The light magenta is a beautiful color to tie into the red and the orange and the yellow. It pulls both ways as well. Um, we have the burnt sienna, the yellow ochre, and chestnut. And these are, I would say, the browns. And chestnut is a really deep, dark, almost black brown. Very, very beautiful. Can be thinned out. Beautiful for like landscape scenes. Anywhere you need like a deep, dark brown. Beautiful color. That's chestnut. Burnt sienna is the red brown chocolate color. And yellow ochre is the yellow ochre. It's like a deep, dark yellow with some brown undertones to it. And I think there's going to be some more colors coming out real soon. One being, oh, I lost the name of it. It's that off-white color that Diana Gibby Rocks loves. It's kind of an eggshell color. Oh, what is it? Anyways, I'm working on it, and we're hoping to add that one in this week as well. Yeah, so here we are. We're coming near the end here. I think we have like a minute and a half left of me doodling. This is, so I'm just finishing up more here. Circles. We're doodling some white on top of the black, which, brings out a little more of the details, kind of, I don't know, dots on dots are always a good thing. I like top dots too. I think it would be cool to come back in on this project later, maybe Monday, and add liquid gels and some shimmer shots or glitter whips even to give it some bling bling. Oh, these little butterflies are so cute too. Too easy, very just loop-de-loop. I had a lot of fun doing these dangles. Guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. I cannot wait to get your feedback. So we will see you live tomorrow night, 7:30 p.m. right here on my YouTube channel, The Foiling Rock Lady. See you later.